don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Jeremiah with RVFix here. If you have one of these slow roller shades and they're just not going up for you, I'm going to show you how to adjust those now. All right, so I pulled it all the way down just to kind of show you it's a little bit easier when it's not in that tight spot. So if you have it, they have these little clips here and you can push on them and that actually releases the blind so you don't have to pull the whole valance down. Now, as you can see on both ends, we have adjustment knobs. Now, depending on the way that they installed your blinds, depends on which side is what. So you're kind of going to have to play with it, but one of them is going to be your tension knob. As you can see, this one has a plus and minus on this side. And then if we flip it around, this one has the same thing, but it's a different color. So if we pull our blind down here, one of these, so not that one, this one is going to control our stop. So on this blind, the black knob controls our stop, and this one controls our tension. So we're going to want to turn that up because it was moving slow. And just kind of test, so still a little slow, so we'll just keep winding that spring up a little bit. Sometimes you start hitting your stop, so you kind of got to work it back and forth. Wrong way. Maybe not. And depending on how far you're out, depends on how much you got to adjust it. What you don't want to do is adjust it too far to where it gets all up in here and then they'll get caught and you'll lose your... Get that a little more. Give this one a little bit more. Try one more. And then I like to be able to have a little bit of a gap between my two if you have the day and night shade. Sometimes you'll just have the one, so it's just your preference on where you want your grab handles to be. To get it back in here, it'll be easier if you can stand on that side. So you just kind of get that one side in, get this side in, and then they just snap in place like that. So now that you got your blind back up here, it should slow rise all the way up to the top. Right where you said it.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.